Kashish and you're watching Kitty Corner Feels. I'm back with episode 3 of Sammy's Children's Day, and last episode we left on a really traumatic note as his sister and brother-in-law died, actually were killed, and he's on a radar by the person who killed them, and he's also shot. But luckily he found Cho-san, and Cho-san will take care of him. And I also watched the first ever live they did, and they are so cute. Oh my god, they're so cute. Yen Shao, if I'm pronouncing his name right, is so cute. He's such a baby. The way he was eating his chips, he's so cute. And I also got to know that their age difference is like 3 years, and Changxi, who plays Sammy, is older than Yan Shao. That is cute. Their relationship is so cute. Then I also got to know through the comment section that Sammy's Children's Day, I think so, it was it was a sister BL who told me that it is like the translation of their actual names. The novel is based on their actual name, the novel title. So it's Cho-san and Liu, and somehow it got translated to Sammy's Children's Day because Cho-san in short is called San in the novel, and how did San translate it into Sammy, we don't know. But yeah, that's the translation. So that's how we got the name Sammy's Children's Day. I found it really interesting. And so if you have anything else that is interesting and related to like this, something novel related or characters related, I would love to know. Until it is like a spoiler, I will love to know about it. And I also got to know that we might get season 2 because in the live they said that they are on a talking stage with the production about the season 2. It's not confirmed, but I hope we get it. And that means that we won't be getting an ending, because if they are planning to get produce a season 2, so these 9 episodes might not have the full novel in it, which is good because then they can give the justice to the novel, because it's a long novel and 9 episodes are really short to get everything in, and they would really miss some parts because they cannot put everything in that timeline. So that's good. And yes, that's it for the intro. I yapped a lot. Let's start with the episode. Episode 3. Yeah, he is injured so badly.
Abba! Abba!
Didn't he say like his dad doesn't like mafia? I think so. There was a different word for mafia in this context, and I forgot what it was. Like Assistant BL told me, but I forgot the name. Thank you, Assistant BL, for like telling me things. Oh, he is scared. Right, he is a doctor, right? I think so. Oh, okay. I mean, it makes sense. It is in 1980s, so that's the best we can get for surgeries and stuff. Anybody's doing it. Yeah, that's good. He's out. He's literally out. My hands would be shaking so bad. Yeah, same. I could never.
深呼吸，深呼吸。啊，
This is like such a pressuring job to do.
感覺掂到粒子彈咧，即刻鉗實佢，迅速掹出嚟，割出嚟，
Yeah.
可以令傷口受到二次傷害嘅。快手啲，
Oh.
掹！
Oof.
止血啦！啊！ 好啦好啦，
I think so. It's the 4th day. He woke up. Okay, he might panic because he might not remember what happened. You know, trauma. Chasan.
真係你個仆街仔。
Okay. At least he remembers the kid.
啊，野馬分鬃。下步咧要紮穩，啲水聲咯。係啦，好，下招嗱，聽住啦喎，白鶴兩次。手抬高啲，係啦，先得噶嘛。腳啊，
Don't tear up your injuries, please.
手揮琵琶。好，跟住呢招。
Oh, he learns martial arts.
嚇！嚟繼續練，認真啲，唔好兩頭望。
師傅你練先啦，我學校有啲事啊。
好。
He's like, my soon-to-be boyfriend just woke up. I need to give him attention.
你醒啦？覺得點啊？
Well, like shit.
你究竟發生咗咩事啊？點解會傷成咁嘅？小馬哥佢哋咧？
Oh.
仲有你家姐？
Oh no! Don't ask about it.
牛雜。
啊？
我要食牛雜。
I don't think so. He's okay. Maybe beef tripe is not that expensive. Okay, he has the money. Right. The money he gave him. This is just so sad.
阿哥。阿哥，家姐，家姐。
Yeah, the trauma is settling in right now.
家姐，阿哥，家姐，
點解流咁多血嘅？
家姐，
我叫阿爸。
冇走。
我唔走，我去幫你斟水。
He didn't even had the chance to grieve them properly. And their bodies as well. He had to run. That was just so sad. Oh my god, this shot. I don't know why it's making me kind of emotional.
你頭先夢入面一直喺度叫阿哥同家姐，咁佢哋呢？
佢哋死咗。我以前呢，住喺膝頭巷，細個嗰陣，成日就係諗住點樣填飽個肚。我阿爸啦，係個導遊。索粉、賭錢、劈酒。我媽呢，生咗我之後就跟人走咗路。我家姐大我3歲，其他嘅細路仲乜都唔識嗰陣，佢就已經學識煮麵嚟氹我。我阿爸經常打我哋，要我哋幫佢偷嘢，偷唔到就係咁打我哋。家姐每次都擋喺我前面，俾佢打到落唔到床。我10歲嗰年，阿爸要賣家姐去做雞，我就掹住佢走咗出去。
Oh, I hate parents like that.
喺條巷入邊，爭啲俾佢打死。
Parents like that shouldn't have kids. Oh. How can you hate a kid like that?
係青龍救咗我，佢望咗阿爸一眼，阿爸就跪低叩頭俾佢。我想你
They're
食
so
蛋糕好
tiny. And they went through so much. Oh my god. That tiny hat. Oh my god. Kill him. He deserves to die. Father, please kill him.
食啦。你哋叫咩名啊？
我叫夏小滿，佢叫阿浩。我唔叫阿浩，係佢起㗎。阿浩，你乖啦，唔好啊。
你咁唔中意阿浩呢個名，咁你想叫咩名啊？
叫蛋糕，我中意蛋糕，我就叫蛋糕。
呢個世界上咁多好嘢食，唔通你中意食咩就叫咩啊？
我唔理，我就叫蛋糕，我中意食蛋糕。
嗱，一係咁啦，以後我叫你61， 每日都帶你過6·1兒童節，每日都請你食蛋糕，好冇？
Okay, that's how he got his name. Oh my god. Okay, the man is handsome. He's handsome. Look at that smile.
佢話6月1號
June 1st.
係兒童節，係屬於我，係屬於我同家姐嘅節日。後嚟我哋又住入咗舊屋。呢度，出年你想幾高啊？姐姐今年喺呢度。
呢度。
哇，咁高啊！咁我舉呢度咁高啦。小妹想咁高，好。
阿豪要高過呢度。
And the tears won't stop.
阿哥知道家姐中意唱歌，就送佢去學藝術。知道我中意玩刀棍，就請師傅嚟教我。大個咗之後，我嗌佢俾我上香拜堂，認佢做大佬。啱開始嗰幾年，佢唔俾
Him
我出去
telling
做
all
事，
this to Chosan, he
話我咁
already
細
trusts him so
跟佢
much.
嘅身邊就得㗎。我18歲嗰年，佢中咗埋伏。淨係帶咗幾個人，俾人韞咗喺條巷仔入邊。我好似發咗癲咁，攞住2把刀就衝入去救佢。
你還記得嗎？就算世界在變化，
我救佢出嚟嗰陣，佢刮咗我一把。佢話
Of course, you risk your life
佢
for
就算
him.
死，都唔想用我呢條命去救佢。
Yeah.
出嚟之後，佢又同班長老講，話要升我做紅軍。阿哥呢份人，有時候真係咁矛盾。
Some people would say, I mean, if you look at the age difference, and he was literally a kid, and when his brother-in-law's brother Argo saved him, and we know that he loved Louis more than a brother. Well, it could be problematic, but it isn't, because he never, you know, there are two types of love. One love is like purely sexual, and it's purely based on the attraction to one's body. And I feel like his love wasn't that. His love was purely love. He just wanted him to stay with him in any form possible. He wanted to take care of him, to see him grow, to be safe and happy. So I don't think so their love was problematic. Tell me your opinions in the comments. It was just a love.
我家姐佢越嚟越靚女。
The day he fell in love with him.
天真嘅學生仔。
阿爸，阿 我送藥啦。
哦，好。
Acting sleep. Acting like he's asleep. Don't do something. He's not asleep. Please, that would be so embarrassing. Okay.
你行路冇聲嘅，嚇死我啊！
女哥，你隻眼好似有啲腫喎，用雞蛋碌下佢。
琴晚你唔好誤會啊，我唔係諗住同你呻㗎。
我知啊。
我都唔係博你同情。
哦，好。
Actually, Chosan is the perfect person to tell your trauma to. He didn't even
我
react.
只
He
係想
let
求
him
其揾
just
樣嘢
vent.
傾下偈。鬼叫你哋呢間爛鬼樓連隻雞都冇咩？
The timing. Ah.
喂，我早餐要食牛雜啊！
阿爸講啲藥咧要飯前飲嘅，
唔飲，好難聞啊！我要牛雜。
唔得。
Oh my
阿爸講
god.
咗話要飯前飲，
He's
一日3
such a
次，一次
spoiled.
都唔可以少。
3次，毒老鼠都可以啦，爛啊！倒咗佢。
阿爸，有人話要倒你啲藥餵老鼠啊！
邊個夠膽倒我藥啊？
佢
古惑仔冇文化，你都冇文化咩？病人唔食藥，你又冇符啦，最讀咗咁多書添。人病咗，唔食藥點醫病啊？哎呀，良藥苦口啊！坐實。坐實，唔好笑啊！撳住佢手啊！咪喐啊！
The time.
阿爸都係你有計啊！
醫生點會搞唔掂病人啫？坐實，即刻幫佢換藥啊！
Oh my god. He's acting like he's dying. The poison.
俾我好返。如果好返，我第一個劈死你啊！
Oh my god. They made me cry seconds ago.
可能會有啲痛。好快就得㗎啦。
Ow. Bro.
陸偉哥啊，你要晾高少少喎。
Yeah. Oh. Okay. acting like he's smoking. Oh my. He's so dramatic. I love him. I love you, Luya. He's so funny.
你大力啲啦！
咩話？
我話大力啲啊！
Look at him pouting.
你做乜嘢啊？
抹屁股咯，你向後趌一趌啦。
我帮你写好结果，你混在夜色里走，却怕我被带走。你最手
He's so embarrassed.
手却挡住寒风。我世界太淡薄，你却全部接受。
Oh my god.
你咁用力做咩啊？前面使唔使幫你抹埋？
我前面自己嚟得噶啦。
嗱，
是你爱了我，现实空的不是我。
Yes, shaving.
是你爱了我，先靠近的不是我。
使唔使我幫你？
是你爱了我，别再问为什么。
我自己嚟得啦。
这条街的尽头只剩下是你爱了我。
He loves it.
是你爱了我。
Now they're sharing a bed. I mean, makes sense. He was injured first, so.
初三啊，起身啦吓，我入嚟噶啦。初三啊，我煲咗豬骨湯俾你同你個 friend 啊，呢度嚟。哎呀，睇住啊嘛，睇住啊。呢個係你個 friend 係咪？好靚仔喎嚇！啊你好啊，刷牙洗面落嚟食嘢啦嚇，就嚟凍噶啦。
你踢我做咩喎？
邊個踢你啊？
I mean, you were actually sleeping on him.
肥姐你煮得好好食啊！我早餐要將今日所有嘢全部食晒。
肥姐，你煮嘅嘢好食過全港城最貴嘅廚師。
哇！喺初三啊，你個 friend 咧真係好識氹人啊！新哥啊，過嚟幫下手啊！
哦，好好好，我嚟幫手，我嚟幫手。
估唔到你都幾識講要。食你知啊？
唔係啊嘛。
Smoking is bad for health. No smoking. Good job, Chosan. Love it. What's going on?
邊位啊？流流嘈生晒。
Oh no, no, no.
大佬，你哋揾邊位啊？嚇？呢位大佬啊？
How did they get to know?
呢度冇啊嘛？
大佬，樓上得個仔頭咗勢啊！喂，大佬啊！大佬，樓上冇人，得我仔喺度嘅咋？喂！兩位大佬，兩位大佬，有嘢慢慢講啦。我仔去咗返學㗎。
嗯。
Did he? Okay, I thought he jumped out of the window. Did he? Did...
喂，老爺，你個仔就係嗰個城寨嘅大學生係嘛？
Oh my god, did he have?
佢自細好中意讀書嘅，除咗讀咗大學，
This
都冇
is
咩
so
出息。
funny.
兩位大佬啊，我請你哋。
嗱，有聲，頂！
喂！
It's embarrassing, Choson.
你做乜嘢啊？
It's really embarrassing.
冇嘢啊。
I'm
Oh,
getting
yeah.
the second-hand embarrassment.
兩位大佬啊，我都話唔明㗎啦。
翻去！
喂，激死啊！
走！
Who told them though? Yeah, they actually jumped out of the window. Oh no, his injuries! His injuries, his injuries.
冇出聲。走啊！
走。
有冇搞錯啊？着草仲要攞埋你嗰個爛鬼袋。
我今日期末考啊，我驚嚟唔切啊嘛。
Yeah,
離開咗啊。
of course it did.
下路一我
下路一係你叫嘅咩？叫你一個。
我又唔係你啲僆啊。
你知唔知有幾多人想做我條僆都做唔到啊？而且我大你3歲，點解唔可以加個字啊？
Yeah, only 3 years.
你係咪高咗啊？
我本來就高過你㗎，只不過冇你大隻啫嘛。
除衫啊！
啊？除邊個㗎？
我哋啊！
我
幫我止血啊！
哦。
仲有，幫我做件事。
幫你做嘢可以，但我唔係你條僆啊嚇。
走死！
Stop running away.
點解喺呢度㗎？
我唔知啊，
Oh,
你都唔知？
he was acting suspicious.
好，下路一喺邊度？
我唔知㗎。
唔知我捅死你啊！
係佢逼我嚟抌呢把刀㗎，話喺囂騎製片廠等我。
你個衰仔最好冇玩嘢啊！快啲話俾佢哥知，就話揾到夏綠一喺囂騎製片廠。咁你條僆仔點啊？
我乜嘢都講晒俾你哋知咯喎，係咪可以放咗我？
放咗你，帶埋佢一齊走。萬一得個吉咧，就攞佢嚟祭旗。走，行啊！喂，行啊！喂，
Oh my god.
行啊！
He is injured. He cannot fight. Oh no. I mean, I'm sure they planned something, right?
青龍果然收埋咗本數簿喺你呢度。唉，揾個學生仔幫你抌件血衣，等我以為你出咗城寨。夏綠欣，點解你咁蠢㗎？
They hit him. How dare they? The end? Ah, I really hope they do have a plan. Like, please. This wasn't unplanned, right? And how dare they hit Chosan? Because he is injured right now. Louis is injured and he cannot fight this many people on his own, even though he's really strong and a really good fighter. Right now, he's not capable of that. So I hope they have something, a trick or something planned to get out of the situation. And now I have to wait for the next episode. This episode made me cry and laugh so bad. Oh my god. Chosan getting a bone. He's so embarrassing. He's so embarrassing and so down bad. For Louis from the start, actually. He has been attracted to him, at least physically. It's so funny to watch him be all embarrassed and shy about it. But yeah, that was my reaction to episode 3 of Sammy's Children's Day. If you like my reaction, you can like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.